Hey everyone, bet you're wondering about my little Rubik's Cube and how I solved it. Well, I didn't really. I mean, I could just muck around with this, blah blah blah, crap. This is pretty stiff. Yeah. And yeah. Well, okay. Here I go making a dog's breakfast of it. Now, how do I put this back together? Yeah, the old-fashioned way, sit there, take forever, work it out. Fuck it. I'll show you what I did. See, these things actually do come apart pretty easy. See? I took a piece off. I broke it. Now, just pull it apart, pull it apart. La la la. Oh, no, that's not the center part. What's this thing at the pause button? See? Here's the guts of it. And the rest of the pieces are down here. Now this is only a 20-minute video max. Oops, missed the spot. I can show you. Okay. See my hands here? I can imagine a lot of you people out there have done this as well. Okay, green matches the blue. Pretty. Where's that corner? I got a corner with the green, the blue, and the yellow. Perfect. See you here. Green and yellow. Nope. That'd be green and white. Yeah. The fun part is finding the pieces you want. Blue and yellow. Nope. Green and white. No. They belong up. Oh, you're a corner. Yep. Green, white, blue. Boop. Falling apart. Green and white. Fuck me. Green and white, you could sit here. Okay. Green and white sits here. If I'm not running out of time. Balls. Now I'm shooting myself in the foot doing this. Green, white, blue. Why did I put blue and green next to each other? Anybody ever told them blue and green shouldn't be seen? This is colour in between. Blue and white. My former footy team, the doggies. Okay. Green and yellow, that's this corner here. And green, yellow, blue. Yep. I don't know if you guys are following here. Now, where's green and yellow? I had that a moment ago. Yeah, almost. Wrong way. Slip that in. Seems so much easier the last time I did this. I'm going to sit this in the corner there. I'm making the dog's breakfast out of this at the moment. Alright. I'm messing this up. Cheating. Cheaters never prosper. Yeah, crap. I've seen the NRL. Okay, green and white. Shit, I lost the green and white. The fun part is finding the pieces you're looking for. Red, white, orange, yep, you go there. Red and orange. Red and white. Had it a moment ago. Corner. Orange and white. And I found orange and white. Fun part is funny. Good, only 4.5 minutes so far. Where's the green wheat? Blue and yellow. Yeah. That's where I left green. I'm really making an ass of myself right about now. Like I said, the fun part of this game is finding the pieces you need. Bada bing. Green. Green, white, orange corner. Oh, found green and orange. Well, sweet. Green, white, orange. Green, orange corner. Gotta make sure it's the right way. Hope you can all hear me while I'm doing this. I found the corner part. Okay. What's this? Oh, blue and yellow is up here. I had it in better order before. I'm kind of working on a time limit here. And might deal with that later. Yeah. Green, white, blue. Yep. Blue and green shall never be seen unless there's a color in between. Oh. So then what? That covers the footy team I used to follow. Blue and green shall never be seen. Almost got a side. I know. Seem to need strong hands to clip these things. Now back to the demo. Still got 13 minutes. And on this. Well, get back up there. Green yellow piece. Nope. I know, I'm a cheat. This is this is not exactly how that's meant to be done. I never bought that book that kid wrote. He's now about 40. I can't really call him a kid because he's older than me. Where's that corner? Green, yellow, blue. Yeah, he's slipping this way. Oh, I'm getting there. Orange, yellow. Oh, that's orange, red. Shit. I know some of you here may be underwhelmed. And I'm like, meh. Okay, I just got the red side to deal with. Let's get the side bits in. Oh shit, I fucked up. That's yellow, red. Should be where the orange goes. At least I know where yellow, red goes. Red and blue. Yeah. Red, yellow, blue corner. Got it. Only 5 pieces to go. Red, white, blue. Red, white, blue. Probably two I hate actually. I got red and white. Merge colors. Yep. Nope. Nope. Yeah, here we go. This white's kind of looking a bit dirty. Shit happens. Then you got red and orange. Got to make sure that's in the appropriate spot to get in there. Nice tight fit. And I sound a bit vulgar there, but that's just me. And last but not least, red, white, orange. And there you go. Rubik's Cube solved. Now, I'm obviously going to have to watch a playback. Let's see. That's the way to do it if you can't be fucked doing it the way it's supposed to be done. For anybody who is disappointed and underwhelmed, sorry. But hey, anybody else want to follow those steps because I can't be fucked either? Feel free.